Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming you have the correct app version and sign in. This prevents hidden options from missing. Open settings from the gear icon or the main menu, then navigate to display or appearance. Once there, scan for color, theme, or accent controls. These are often grouped together. Make sure to avoid random toggles. Instead, identify the precise color selector or drop-down. If you're in a system-wide pane, choose the profile or device first, so subsequent changes apply where you expect. You now choose where to edit. Select preset, custom, or hex input so you control accuracy. Once a color is chosen, adjust brightness and contrast sliders and set opacity if available. These fine-tune readability and aesthetic. Use the preview area to compare current versus new appearance. This helps prevent accessibility issues. If there's an eyedropper tool, sample from an image for exact matches. After reviewing the preview, toggle live or temporary preview to test across screens or pages before committing the change. You finish by hitting save or apply, then test the change across screens, light and dark modes, and high contrast settings to ensure consistency. Once done, make sure to restart the app or device if colors don't take effect immediately. That often resolves cached UI states. If the color option is missing, check for updates, clear the app cache, or log out and back in. Those steps restore hidden controls. One key tip: if colors still behave oddly, reset theme settings before reinstalling to preserve your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.